How to use wireless Android Auto in your GMC vehicle. First, make sure both Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are turned on from your phone. Next, go to the phone icon on the infotainment screen and select Connect Phone. Then select Add Phone in the corner of the screen. On your phone, open the Bluetooth menu and find the vehicle you are pairing. The default name for the vehicle will display on the screen. After selecting Pair on both the vehicle and the phone screen, make sure to allow contacts and use of Android Auto. You're now ready to use wireless Android Auto on your vehicle screen. After getting in the vehicle each time it is turned off, it may take approximately 30 seconds to show up on the screen. Now, of course, you can always use wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto here on this infotainment screen, but using wireless allows you to get rid of all the cables and also allows you to utilize this wireless charging pad here in the center console for your phone. So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that like button. If you have any questions, comments, or suggestions on future video topics, please leave that all in the comment section below and I'll make sure to read them. So with all that being said, I hope to see you in the next video.